Supercharge your email campaigns with engaging video content directly from Google Drive, all without ballooning your Mailerlite file sizes. First things first, head over to your Google Drive and locate the video you want to share. Make sure it's uploaded and ready to go. Once you've found your video, click on it to open the preview. Now, look for the share button, usually a little icon with a person and a plus sign, and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. Under General Access, you'll see an option to change who can access the file. Click on that, and then select anyone with the link. This is crucial because it allows anyone who receives your email to view the video. After selecting anyone with the link, you'll see a copy link button. Click this to copy the unique URL for your video. Keep this handy. Now, let's jump into Mailerlite. Open the email campaign you're working on and find the spot where you want to embed your video. A text block is perfect for this. Paste the Google Drive link you just copied directly into your text block, then highlight the link and click the Create Link or Chain icon in the Mailerlite editor. You can also type out some compelling text, like "Watch our latest tutorial," and then highlight the text and link it to your Google Drive URL. For an even stronger impact, consider creating a dedicated call to action button in the Mailerlite editor. You can add a button element. Configure the button text to something inviting, like "Play video now," and paste your Google Drive link into the button's URL field. And there you have it. Your subscribers can now enjoy your video content directly from Mailerlite, driving engagement without an upload headache. Test it out by sending a campaign to yourself and clicking the link to ensure it works perfectly.